Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn on review posts you are tagged in on Facebook. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn on review posts you are tagged in on Facebook, click on your account icon on upper right corner. Click on settings and privacy. Now click on activity log. In left pane, scroll down, and here the last option is timeline photo and tag review. Click here to expand. Then you will find an option review post you are tagged in. Click on it. Some posts are for review. You will find a gear icon here. Click on the gear icon and look, review post you are tagged in is turned off right now. Just click here to turn it on and now click on save. Now review post you are tagged in is turned on. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.